the barn of dust, the poppies, the avenue of cypress, the stunning dapple of a lemon tree dancing in the sun, all lead to a barn of whitewashed walls and worn doors. Here I languish beside an old ash stove, and below a saint carved in wood. My pain is healing. Natural selection tears at me as a terrier shreds the flesh of a rat, and poppy red flows onto the floor. The rat is dead, and I am lying in the barn of dust, full of holes. Ottoman and Cassis, Julius and Agamemnon, Peter and Paul, Augustine, God, all have driven their stake into me. The barn, the garden, they are outside of time. The poppy will seed itself again, and so will I. It is a form of art and potential happiness.